These are the high-rise elevators at the Galleria Tower in Fantech City. Look at these call buttons. Down's locked. Up works. Let's see which one it will be. I think one's coming from 38. That's why it's taken a bit to get here. Ah, here we go. $50. Oh, we're not moving. 49. 48. 46 works. Here we go. Going up to the 46th floor. 47 through 50 are locked out. Here are 46. Alright, let's go back down to 1. I believe these are up-go buttons. Here we go. Here are back down at 1. And we'll end the video at M. These are the only main set of elevators that actually serve the first floor. Besides the parking elevator and the entrance. All the other elevators don't. And that's it.